Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the About tablet. Then let's enter software information and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Confirm it with OK, and here we've got the information. So now in this left section, scroll down again to open developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, change the window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some networking options, etc. So in order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher at the top. And in this left section, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.